Hello everyone. I am Meenal Chatterjee, founder of Kindle Arts, and I welcome you all to this FB Live chat show. Let's talk. What is that you're missing the most during lockdown? Well, if you ask me, hello everyone. I'm missing talking to all of you and meeting all of you. Few months back, our studio used to be abuzz with activities and lots of people, lots of laughter, learning, fun, chit chat. We were kind of missing it. So, what did we do? We decided to bring all that fun online. Yes, Kindle Arts is now online, and you don't have to miss a single fun that we used to have earlier. All our workshops and sessions are happening beautifully online. And if you want to join, you can check out our Facebook page or our website www.kindlearts.in. So this show, Let's Talk, is an extension of what I was talking just now. We all love to talk about ourselves, with our friends, to our customers, about our brand, passion, mission, and lots more. So why not use this time and this wonderful platform to connect with lakhs of people and send across your message? Yes, you heard it right, lakhs of people. By God's grace and with all your support, Kindle Arts has 2.5 lakh unique people seeing our posts every month. A big thank you to all of you. One such amazing person who wants to talk about her brand is joining us today. She's doing something very unique in the world of computers. Well, let us hear from her what exactly is she doing. I welcome Taru Bhargav to Let's Talk. Hi, Taru.
Hi, Meenal. Hi, Meenal. How are you?
Welcome to Let's Talk.
Thank you so much. It's a great platform. I have started a new venture, creative communication through computers. So,
Amazing. Tell us more about it.
Definitely. After working as a software engineer for a couple of years, I moved towards IT training, and there I discovered my passion for teaching. And after taking a small sabbatical, when I started teaching kids, I mean, it was altogether a different and amazing experience. Their creativity, their energy levels, their out of box thinking, it like and getting amazed and curious about every little thing I taught. Acha ma'am, ye bhi kar sakte hain, or what we can do this also. And this what inspired me to launch this venture, that is creative communication through computers, and which I also call 3Cs.
Wow. So you are teaching kids computer skills?
Yes.
That's amazing. And how can parents and kids get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with me through my mail ID. It's skills.computer3c@gmail.com, and on Instagram page, that is skills.computer3c.
Wow, I'm sure a lot of people would be interested in something so unique and different. What do you think? How will this specialized computer education help kids, and how are you planning to kindle their love for computers?
That's what I've been doing past couple of years, and I just love it. Meenal, we all agree that during this lockdown, computer has become extended part of our life, and its education definitely help kids in every aspect, be it their school projects or various competitions which are held in school, and it definitely gives a competitive edge to their career also. So I feel really proud when kids excel in various school competitions, and or when their teacher, they do message me when their teacher praises them for their knowledge in computers skills, and also, their presentation skills. So I think I've seen a lot of increase in their confidence after going through the various courses. And Meenal, there's also one very interesting difference which I've noticed, that when they are creating games while learning coding, programming, their focus shifts from playing video games to creating one. And that's amazing. They come with amazing queries that, ma'am, we played this game, last, can we make one? So that's really nice. Or when they're learning web designing, so they feel empowered that the various websites which they're scrolling for information, it's not a rocket science to me. They can create one. So, and they are at their creative best, which fully satisfy the vision of three C's, that is creative, communication through computers. They can be creative, they can communicate, after learning a lot.
Wow, I'm so amazed to hear this some amazing things that you just told us. But seeing is believing. Can I, request you if I can share my screen and show some of the works that children can actually make in your classes with your kind permission?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. All right. Give me a moment.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Meanwhile, till the time we are setting up things, would you like to tell any message to the parents who are keen in, bringing their kids into this world of computers?
Definitely. During this lockdown, we all are experience amazing things, new things. It was digital classrooms, digital presentations. So again, I reiterate the fact that it has become an extended part of our life, and to to work with it with ease, and the kids should have the knowledge to work around it. And I fully agree that kids can definitely, uh, bring their creative best after doing a lot of projects, after creating games, or uh, after designing websites, and they will have edge in their schools and in their career.
All right. So we have the screenshot ready. I'm just playing the video for our audiences to see what kids have actually made in your classes. So here we go. Wow, this was amazing.
Thank you, Meenal.
Yeah, you're doing something very unique and so interesting. And I think with the vacation time coming up, this is the right time for kids to enroll for such interesting activities.
Exactly. Instead of, I won't say wasting, but instead of just playing games, or, they can create one, but it's not at all something, they will have different skills, they will learn coding, and coding really helps to increase their logical thinking and computational skills. It definitely give, their brain a boost.
Wow. Okay, talking about game, how about if we both play one game? Are you ready for a rapid fire?
Oh, and this, like, I never played it actually.
All right. So this is some one small surprise or shock or whatever you want to call it that comes at the end of the Let's Talk session. So I'm going to ask you some very fun and light questions. You cannot take more than 3 seconds to answer them. So are you
Okay.
game?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Looking forward.
All
Yeah.
right. So here we go and make your answers rapid and full of fire. I'm stealing this phrase from a famous TV host. But here we go. What energizes you more, work or holiday?
Work.
Name 3 Bollywood movies with single word title.
Dar, Khoobsurat, Bazigar.
Wow, you're good. All right, there's no gift hamper. By the way, let me be very clear on that. All right, so say this fast. She sells seashells on the seashore. I'll
She
repeat.
says, yeah.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Oh my God, you are cracking all the records. You're doing so well. What is the first thing that you'll do after the lockdown is over?
I will meet my parents. I'm
Oh,
missing them a lot.
that's very sweet. All right. What is the most creative thing that you did last? I know you are a very creative person, so please tell everyone about it.
I also do glass painting, and it's like a meditation for me. So that's it. I'll do that.
Lovely. We would someday like to show all the people what you make, but that is for some
And
other time. All right. Translate these English song titles very quickly into Hindi Bollywood songs. All right.
that's such
So I'll give
fun.
you. You have to try. It is very easy. Don't worry. Night bird came in a dream.
रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई.
Very nice. Can you sing it, please? थोड़ा धुन
रात
में.
कली एक ख्वाब में आई और कली का हार हुई. This only I
Amazing.
know.
You're such a poet. Next one. Night is lonely, lights are out.
रात अकेली है, बुझ गए दिए. Yeah.
Nice. And the last one. This night, this season, riverbank, playful breeze.
This
It's an old
night,
song. This night, this season, riverbank, playful breeze.
ये नदी, ये हवाएं, something like this, you know. ये
You're close.
रातें,
Got it.
नदी.
नदी का किनारा. Very nice. Amazing, Taru. I think you are an awesome creative person. You are a singer. We just saw you sang so well, and you are doing some amazing work for kids. And Kindle Arts wishes you all the best. And
Thank you so
in your
much.
future endeavors. Yeah, and I would just like to say to everyone and to you, please stay safe, stay at home for some more days, and keep yourself engaged in positive activities. Some of them you can find on Kindle Arts and lots more everywhere else. All the best to everyone, and see you again next time. Bye, Taru. Thank you, everyone.
Nice talking to you.